Everyday carry demands reliability, control, and smart design for daily tasks, emergencies, and outdoor use. Best EDC pocket knife options combine sharp blades, durable materials, compact profiles, and secure grips to deliver consistent performance wherever precision and readiness matter most. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. CIVIVI Mini Praxis Knife. The CIVIVI Mini Praxis Knife stands out as a refined everyday carry option that balances performance, comfort, and compact convenience. Built with black stone-washed D2 steel, the blade offers an excellent mix of edge retention, corrosion resistance, and ease of sharpening, making it suitable for long-term daily use. Whether you're opening boxes, cutting packaging, or handling light outdoor tasks, the blade feels dependable and precise. Its compact folding design makes it easy to carry legally and discreetly, fitting comfortably into a pocket, backpack, or even a small pouch without feeling bulky or heavy. What truly enhances the Mini Praxis experience is the G10 handle. It feels smooth yet secure in hand, resisting moisture and temperature changes while maintaining durability over time. The ceramic ball-bearing pivot system delivers smooth, snappy one-handed deployment using the flipper tab. The strong detent ensures the blade opens decisively and stays firmly in place during use, while the closing action remains controlled and fluid. This consistent performance makes it enjoyable to use day after day. Overall, the CIVIVI Mini Praxis Knife is a versatile EDC tool suited for urban carry, work tasks, hiking, and camping, while also making a thoughtful and practical gift for both men and women.
Number 2. Good Worker Knife. The Good Worker Knife is a rugged and multifunctional pocket knife designed for users who value versatility and preparedness in their everyday carry. Crafted from 440C stainless steel, the blade delivers solid strength, corrosion resistance, and reliable cutting performance. The partially serrated edge enhances its ability to handle tougher materials like rope or fabric, making it useful in both work and emergency situations. With a compact folded profile and a balanced weight, it remains easy to carry while still feeling substantial in hand. The aluminum ergonomic handle contributes to durability and comfort, offering a firm grip even during demanding tasks. Its liner lock mechanism provides dependable blade security, giving users confidence while cutting. What truly sets this knife apart is its built-in emergency features, including a seatbelt cutter and glass breaker. These additions make it a valuable tool for drivers, travelers, and anyone who prioritizes safety and readiness, while the sleek black finish gives it a tactical yet stylish appearance. This knife appeals to a broad audience, making it a strong gift option for men of all ages, outdoor enthusiasts, workers, and professionals alike. Overall, the Good Worker Knife delivers a practical combination of utility, durability, and thoughtful design in a compact EDC package.
Number 3. Smith & Wesson SWMP4LS. The Smith & Wesson SWMP4LS folding knife is built with durability and readiness in mind, making it a dependable choice for everyday carry and emergency situations. Featuring a 3.6-inch blade made from 4034 high-carbon stainless steel with a black oxide finish, it provides solid cutting power along with added corrosion resistance. The blade length and overall size give it a commanding presence while still remaining practical for daily tasks such as cutting, slicing, and light outdoor use. Its black aluminum handle with rubber inlay enhances grip and comfort, ensuring stable handling even in wet or challenging conditions. Despite its sturdy build, the knife maintains a balanced feel that allows for controlled use. The assisted opening system enables quick, smooth blade deployment, which is especially useful when fast access is required. Combined with the flipper and finger actuator, the knife is easy to operate with one hand.
Safety is a strong focus in this design, with both a liner lock and an additional safety lock to keep the blade securely in place during use. The inclusion of a pocket clip ensures convenient carry, while added emergency tools like a glass breaker and seatbelt cutter increase its practical value. Whether used for work, outdoor activities, or vehicle emergencies, the Smith & Wesson SWMP4LS offers reliability, strength, and multifunctional performance in one solid folding knife.
Number 4. CJRB Maximal Folding Knife. The CJRB Maximal Folding Knife is designed to be an adaptable and user-friendly pocket knife that suits a wide range of users, from beginners to experienced knife enthusiasts. Designed by David C. Anderson, the Maximal emphasizes versatility, combining a compact carry profile with a blade capable of handling demanding cutting tasks. Its balanced design allows it to feel discreet in the pocket, while still offering the confidence of a larger working knife when needed. One of the standout features is the secure crossbar lock, which provides strong blade retention and ambidextrous usability. This lock system also enhances safety by allowing finger-safe closing, making the knife comfortable and intuitive to operate. The action is smooth and reliable, contributing to a satisfying everyday carry experience. The green micarta handle adds both durability and comfort. It resists moisture and wear while providing a secure grip even during extended use. The widened ergonomic handle design ensures ample holding space, reducing hand fatigue and improving control. Overall, the CJRB Maximal Folding Knife lives up to its name by offering maximum practicality, comfort, and reliability. Number 5. NedFoss Pocket Folding Knife. The NedFoss Pocket Folding Knife is a well-rounded tactical style knife designed for daily utility and emergency preparedness. Its blade is crafted from 8CR14 MOV steel, known for its sharpness, durability, and corrosion resistance. The drop-point blade with a black oxide coating enhances cutting control while giving the knife a rugged, professional appearance. This blade style performs well for slicing, piercing, and general cutting tasks encountered in everyday and outdoor use. The handle combines G10 and aluminum, resulting in a sturdy yet comfortable grip. Its ergonomic design fits naturally in the hand, providing stability and control during use. The knife feels solid without being overly heavy, making it suitable for extended carry. A thumb stud opening allows for quick and easy blade deployment, ensuring the knife is ready when needed. In addition to standard cutting tasks, the NedFoss knife includes practical emergency tools such as a seatbelt cutter and glass breaker. These features make it especially useful for drivers, hikers, and outdoor enthusiasts who value preparedness. The pocket clip ensures convenient carry and quick access. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.